OPC stands for Open Platform Communications. It provides smooth communication from sensors and actuators up to business systems or the cloud, and is based on client-server model. It has developed into an essential independent communication protocol for industrial automation applications. UA in OPC UA stands for Unified Architecture. It is a data exchange standard for industrial communication. This open interface standard is unaffected by the manufacturer or system provider of the application, the programming language used to create relevant software, and the operating system that the application is running on. From the field to the cloud, OPC UA makes a standardized and secure communication in the industrial environment a reality. As a result, OPC UA helps to address some of the key issues associated with digitization and industrial Internet of Things. ICP-USA's OPC UA I/O modules are a series of Ethernet I/O modules with built-in OPC UA server and MQTT client services. These modules, also called the U7500 series, has a built-in dual-port Ethernet switch to implement daisy chain topology. The cabling is easy and can reduce the total cable and switch cost. It allows receiving power from PoE-enabled networks by Ethernet pairs. This feature provides greater flexibility and efficiency to simplify system design, save space, and reduce wiring in power sockets. In industrial communication, UA/I/O supports the OPC UA server, MQTT client, and RESTful API functions. Users can choose the network mode according to their needs and environment to transmit the value of the built-in I/O channels to the cloud IT system or field control system for reading and writing. These module features include built-in OPC UA server service, provides functions of active transmission, transmission security encryption, user authentication, communication error detection and recovery, to connect SCADA or OPC UA clients. Built-in MQTT client service. It provides functions of IoT active M2M transmission, retains mechanism identity authentication, encryption, last will, and more. It supports RESTful API function. It can read and write I/O and virtual point through HTTP. Provide high security HTTPS to read and write I/O and virtual points. It has scaling support and logic function rule settings if then else. It also has scheduling support and event logging. There's a built-in web server to provide web user interface and a dual-port Ethernet switch for daisy chain topology. This is a comparison to the ICP-USA I/O modules versus traditional I/O modules. And this is the UA series function architecture. IT integration technology. The technology includes OPC UA, the Industrial Communication Standard, MQTT, the IoT Active Transmission Technology, Data Logger, I/O data saved directly to the local log file or remote database, IFTTT, the Cloud Logic Control, if, this, then, that, and the cloud, the IIoT Cloud Connection Technology. OT integration technology. The technology includes OPC UA, the new Industrial Communication Standard, MQTT, the IoT Active Transmission Technology, Modbus, a protocol widely used within industrial automation systems, and Ethernet IP, industrial Ethernet protocol based on TCP/IP protocol and compatible with factory and enterprise networks. These are some of our solutions: Modbus and OPC UA, Modbus and MQTT, MQT and OPC UA, and MQTT and MQTT. This is an application using our UA, XP9000, and M7000 series for a farm automation solution. The solution controls the on-site cooling, heating, ventilation, environmental equipment, lighting equipment, feeding equipment, and pig pen equipment through a UA module and the connected M7000 modules. The upper control, XP9000, manages daily feeding and drinking equipment, of every pig pen and integrates the data of the water supply, feed volume, and diet to the database, and then analyzes the data and adjusts the application to plan the best breeding solution. To learn more about our OPC UA modules, visit our website or contact a member of the ICP DAS USA team.